Susie, Sabine, what factors would you say are the biggest ones in disruption in the insurance sector at the moment?
Customers are looking for different products and insurers are having to respond to that. There's lots of regulatory pressures which is encouraging insurers to change, and cost pressures also meaning that insurers are looking for efficiencies.
Speed of change is affecting us all, incumbent as well as young businesses. The tech giants are also influencing the behavior of large enterprises. And the tech advancement coming to market, particularly the emerging technologies, are driving very different behaviors.
What do you see as being the biggest factors on the horizon that are going to influence disruption in insurance the next 3 to 5 years?
When you start looking at 5 years from now, millennials, 75% of the working population, are driving very different needs around the product and services that the industry needs to design. Then you have connectivity, which is affecting that.
How are we seeing the incumbents respond in the insurance sector?
I think there's still quite a long way to go before some of these technologies and different products are really embedded in the incumbents. There's still a bit of work for them to do around how they respond to the changes.
And how do we see the newer companies responding to this challenge and this opportunity, Sabine?
You are going to have two types of players. You are going to have the disruptors, the companies which want to become brokers, MGAs, or insurers of their own rights, and then the enablers, which are going to play across the value chain and help incumbents change the bets which are not working very well, to help them design the business models of the future.
What do we think the biggest priority is for insurers to think about with the challenges that face them? What should they be prioritising?
The technology, of course, is fundamental and it's all really interesting, but if you don't have the right talent and skills to go along with that, then technology on its own won't get you there.
I would say get your strategy right and your priorities right, and then decide which area to focus on, and then actually start designing the path which allows you to achieve strategic impact.